Jacob, star quarterback for the Dallas Cowboys, led his team to another victory. He threw 10 touchdowns and rushed for 120 yards, easily smashing the opposing team. Because of his immense success on the field, demands for his autograph are tremendous, and he sells signed footballs. His fans submit their orders to his agent, and then Jacob gets his Sharpie ready. Official NFL footballs cost $60, and Jacob offers 2 services. He can simply sign the football or write a personalized message. A signed football is 20% added to the original price, and a football signed with a personalized message is 35%. How much is it to purchase a signed football? How much is a football with a personalized message? Several things to think about as we start this problem. First thing, step 1, when you're working with a percentage, is change percent to a decimal. By dividing by 100. Step 2, multiply decimal by original number. So in this problem, there is a 20% increase to the football. So we know that we need to change that percent to a decimal. So 20% changed to a decimal divided by 100 is 2/10 or 0.2. We also know that the football was $60 originally. So 60 times 0.2 is going to be 12 with 1 decimal place, $12. Now selling the football for $12 does not make sense because there's the $60 original price. So $60 is the original price for the football, plus 12 for a signed football is $72 for an autographed football. Okay. So how much is it to purchase a signed football? We've highlighted our answer up there. Now let's figure out how much is a football with a personalized message. We'll highlight that question in yellow. And let's work the math for that problem. Okay, so a personalized football is 35%. Maybe Jacob wrote on there, "Hey, George, hope you enjoy your football game next week," or something like that. Just something so that the fans know that Jacob cares, because he does. I mean, look at that face. The guy's amazing. Okay, so 0.35 is the decimal that we need to use, and then you need to multiply the decimal by the original number. The original number was 60. So 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 6 is 30. Put in a 0, 3 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 6 is 18. So $21 added to the original price, so let's actually add that. It's $81 for a signed football. Thanks for watching.